Good morning, you guys. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, you guys, and I've been here since 8 o'clock, and right now it's 9:30, you guys, and I just received an order right now. And this order is not the best offer, but I'm like, you know what? If I don't take this order, I'm gonna be here for another hour again. So $20, you guys, and it's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 34 items. It's not the best, but let's go shop this order, you guys. Let me go in and shop this order quick because it's already showing me that it's going to be a slow day. So let's go in and shop this order. I'm here delivering, and guess what? Where did it go? So I pulled up in here and I went outside, and it just came chasing me, guys. I rushed back inside. Yo, she don't want to put them inside, and I say, I'm sorry, man, I can't come outside. He said, okay, they're gonna do it. So they are doing it right now. So you guys, this morning it's super slow, and I'm not going to be super picky. So whatever comes in my way, if it's a little bit, like, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna have to take you guys, because it's super slow, and I wanted to make at least 150 today before I go home. I need to make 150. So whatever comes in my way, if it's I'm gonna take it. So it's 10:30 right now, 10:30, and I only did one. I have done one offer so far. So oh my gosh. So you guys, when I say I'm gonna take every order that comes my way, you guys, this is not what I meant, y'all. So this order here is $11 for 7.5 miles shopping order. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant, you guys. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant by saying that. So let's keep waiting. $24, you guys, for 4.9 miles, and it's going. I mean, I'm dropping for three customers. So I'm just waiting for them to bring it out. Here we are. Going to apartment A. So that's A. Let's park here. $17 for 5 miles, 3 customer drop off. $17, you guys, for 5 miles. All right, let's go deliver this over there. Yeah. Oh. All right, second drop off. Second drop off. It's my third drop off. Alright, let's go back at Walmart. Yo, it's 1:47 right now. 1:47. Oh my gosh, I'm still waiting for my fourth order, you guys. Still waiting for my fourth. It's slow. But I'm not going home. Let's make at least 150. How about that? I hope after 2 it's going to pick up, like getting order back to back. I hope so. Excuse me. I hope so. Ooh, I received an order. Let me go check, y'all. Yeah, you guys, I received an order. $33. Yeah. $33 for 14 miles. 14 miles, you guys. 3 customer drop off. It's alright. So now it's gonna take us to $96 because I was on 60 something. Yeah, I was on 60 something. I don't remember, but we're gonna be on 90 something, you guys. 90 something. Oh my god, thank god this order is just boom skyrocket my total, you guys. So let me wait for my pickup time so they can bring this order. Let's go. 9 minutes, you guys. Let's go drop our first drop off. It's 9 minutes away. Our second drop off. Let's go. Last drop off. My third drop off. So received another offer, you guys. $18 for 2.6 miles, and it's a shopping order. It's a shopping plus pharmacy, so I'm only shopping like 3 items, and going to pick up pharmacy also. So let's go. Spark pickup. It's Spark. Okay. 24.42. I have my pharmacy picked up, so let's go to get the rest of items. Let's get this water. You need to sign. Yo, let me know if you have experienced this. So I took pharmacy order, my last one, right? My last drop off. So it has pharmacy, so as soon as I dropped it, it says to take a picture. So I took a picture, and after that, you guys, it says this. Like in review, it's been almost 10 minutes. Said they're still reviewing it. Please comment down below if you ever experienced this. Is it because the pharmacy order? Let me know, because I'm starting to worry. This is my first time seeing such a thing. Before, as soon as I finish to take a picture, boom, that was it. But it says in the review. Oh wow. Alright, let me sit here and see how long it's gonna take. They need to open it as soon as possible because I need my 150 today. I need my 150, so they need to hurry up. It's me. Although I have a braids in, but it's still me. I'm using my account. And the strange thing is they're still sending orders. They're still sending orders, you guys. And my screen haven't finished processing. Let me know. Comment down below and let me know, please, if you have ever experienced this after dropping a pharmacy order. Yo, so it's been 20 minutes, you guys. 20 minutes and it's still haven't processed, and it's still processing. So I'm about to call support. And see if they can help with something. I don't know. I'm gonna let you guys know what support said. Yo, I just finished talking to support right now, and they said to turn off my phone. They told me to log out, sign out, and sign back in. I did all that, but it's still saying the same stuff. So she says she's escalating the case to the higher department, and in 30 minutes, if it doesn't work, call them back. That's what it said. Oh Lord. It said call us back in 30 minutes if nothing changes. So yo, oh my gosh. And right now it's 3:40, you guys. 3:40. I think I'm going to stay away from pharmacy order, you guys. Going to stay away from pharmacy orders going forward. If I see pharmacy, I'm not gonna take it. You guys, it's now 6:20. 6:20, and I stopped working. It was 3 p.m. And you guys, they haven't fixed it. So around 3:30, 3:40, 3:50, I went home, you guys. I was like, you know what? I don't know when this gonna get fixed. Let me just go home. And each time I keep going, looking in the app, but still nothing happened. So I called them again, and they say, well, they escalated my case to the higher department, so they don't know when or where, or no, when. They don't know when this issue is gonna get fixed, but they just say keep looking in your email because they're gonna email you. So anywho, today I think it was 1:15, you guys. 1:15. That's how much I made today. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, comment. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope this thing get fixed today so I can work tomorrow. If I get the whole day without working tomorrow, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be so mad, you guys. I'm gonna be so mad. So anyway, bye.